Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I just want to show you a pretty cool Mr. Robot fsociety hacking toolkit, which is based here on this Git repo created by Manisso. So if we go to the website here, github.com, Manisso fsociety, this is the page here. fsociety hacking tools pack, pen testing framework. Let's just have a look here. So here we go. The fsociety toolkit contains all tools used in the Mr. Robot series. We've got information gathering, password attacks, sniffing and spoofing. So here we've got information gathering, Nmap, SE tools kit, crypts, password attacks. We've got cup, wireless testing with Reaver, exploitation tools, @scan, sniffing and spoofing, SE toolkit, web hacking, various tools under that, private web hacking, and post exploitation. So I'll just show you what this looks like once it's installed. It's a simple menu system, and this is it here. So this is the menu once we've got it installed. So if you just scroll back to the top, click this green clone or download button here and copy this link to the clipboard. Once you've copied that, you can just close your browser down. We want to open up a terminal now. I'll just go ahead and do that. Let me just enlarge this. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to clone the Git repository, fsociety. I'm just going to change into the desktop folder, which is where I want this to be saved, so cd desktop. And the command to clone the repository is git space clone, and then just paste in the URL that we copied. Just hit enter on that, and this will now start cloning that into the fsociety folder on the desktop. And as you can see, we'll just align these a bit. Here we go. So in here is where we've just cloned that repo. So what we want to do now is install it. We change directory to fsociety now, and then what we'll do is we'll just list the contents of that directory. As you can see here, there's a green install.sh script. If it's green, it means that it's executable. If it's not, you need to chmod 777 it. And we've got the /install.sh command to go ahead and install it. Yeah, tool installed successfully. All is done, and we can execute the tool simply by typing fsociety from the terminal. Just going to cd back to the root directory here, and then if we just type in fsociety now, that toolkit will now launch. So here we go, we're in the toolkit, fsociety coded by Manisso. We've got our menu options here with the numbers that correspond to each menu option. Let's just have a look in number 1 here, the information gathering. So we've got Nmap, social engineering toolkit, host to IP, blah blah blah. So we do 99 to go back to the main menu. Let's look at number 2, password attacks. Okay, we've got cup in there. Number 3, wireless testing. We've got Reaver, Pixie, and Bluetooth Honeypot GUI framework. Number 4, exploitation tools, @scan, SQL map, comics. Okay. Number 5, sniffing and spoofing. We've got the SE toolkit in here. Let's just have a quick look at that. Just press number 1 here. Already installed. Yeah, it does already come with Kali, so you might see this screen. Just say yes to agree to the terms of service, and this is our social engineering toolkit. I will do a video about this at a later date on the tools available within this framework. We're just going to go down here and do a 99 to exit. Click return here, and we're back to our fsociety script here. Let's have a look in number 6, web hacking. So we've got Drupal hacking, file upload checker. We've got number 7, private web hacking. enter target IP. We don't want to do that, so I'm just going to Control C to exit, and that has kicked me out of the fsociety framework, so I'm just going to type fsociety in again. Let's have a look at number 8. Shell checker, Poet, phishing framework. And yeah, that's basically it. So thanks very much to Manisso for coding this up. Pretty useful and pretty cool for fans of the Mr. Robot series. I hope you found this video useful today. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you did, and see you soon.